Well, good afternoon. Markets just closed here on Monday, the 26th of March. Was an early in the day up day, late in the day a down day. We did have some positive news. The stock market is reacting and is up quite a bit. An article that came out by the Wall Street Journal this morning early indicated that behind the scenes, the U.S. and China were negotiating some type of a compromise on trade, and the market took that very well. The commodity markets just seemed to try to rally and then faded right at the end of the day. I mean, cotton was up 30 to 40. It's going to end up closing down about 8 in May. So let's just take a look here. May cotton down 8 at 81.75, a high of 82.75, a low of 81.50. July cotton closed up 5 at 82.27. December cotton unchanged at 77.67. May soybeans were down 3. They were up almost all day until the final few minutes. Closing at 10.25 and a quarter, a high of 10.40 and a quarter, a low of 10.25. May corn closed down 3 and a quarter at 3.74, a high of 3.80 and 3/4, a low of 3.73 and a half. May wheat was down 4.5 at 4.55 and 3/4, a high of 4.63 and 3/4, a low of 4.51 and a quarter. The dollar was down 44. Crude oil down 17 cents a barrel. Gold was up $5 an ounce. Silver was up 13 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now up 522. And that's about the high of the day, although that market still has a couple of hours to trade. It seemed to have a better tone to it today. It might not seem like it because grains closed down and cotton closed down slightly in the front month, but it definitely felt better. Not as much of the negative hanging over the market as we've seen recently with the possibility of trade wars. We'll see if we can get some good news out of Washington in the next day or two, which will help these markets get back to watching their fundamentals. That's it. Have a good evening, and we'll see you first thing in the morning.